I recently completed an entire fashion photo shoot and video shoot in one day using just one camera and lens, the amazing Nikon Z9, Nikon's flagship hybrid camera paired with the Nikkor Z 2470 f2.8s lens. This is my favorite all-around lens for the Z9 because it's versatile and performs brilliantly in every situation. I'll show you a few results so you can see why I'm so excited about this camera and lens. Let me quickly touch on some of the standout features of both the camera body and the lens, starting with the Nikkor Z 2470 f2.8s lens. It has a constant f2.8 aperture, so even at 70mm, you get stunning background separation and excellent low light performance. Both the camera body and the lens are weather sealed, allowing you to confidently use them for outdoor shoots without worrying about dust or rain. The image quality feels like you're working with a prime lens. Its precision and optical superiority make it the perfect all-around lens for various shooting scenarios. Now let's talk about the Nikon Z9 camera body. It's an absolute beast when it comes to performance, but I must admit it's quite heavy. Coming from a Sony Alpha 1 background, shooting with the Z9 feels like a full workout. However, the trade-off is worth it because the image quality is stunning. The colors and tones in both photos and videos have a beautiful film-like artistic quality, which is exactly what I was looking for in a hybrid mirrorless camera. I could spend hours talking about the Z9 and its impressive features, but the most common questions are about the autofocus and stabilization. With any camera, there's always a trade-off. If you're coming from the Sony system, the autofocus and stabilization might feel like a slight downgrade, but it's still the best Nikon has ever made. Plus, the weight of the camera actually helps with stabilization while shooting. In every other aspect, it feels like a massive upgrade, especially in terms of color accuracy and artistic qualities in both video and photo. The Z9 features a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, and the image clarity is simply breathtaking. It also allows for 8.3K 60 frames per second and raw internal recording, giving you an insane amount of resolution to work with. The battery life is exceptional, and even after long hours of shooting 8K, there is no signs of overheating. The camera uses an electronic shutter, and its real-life viewfinder eliminates the blackout issue you often encounter during burst shooting with other cameras. Some other standout features include a sensor shield to protect the sensor, dual card slots for CF Express Type B cards, a 4-axis vertical and horizontal tilting monitor, making it versatile for various shooting angles. The Z9 detects 9 different subject types, which is a game changer for professionals. In terms of build, this camera feels like a tank in your hands, but it has a fantastic grip, making it comfortable for extended shoots. Overall, the Nikon Z9 is truly a professional camera with excellent hybrid capabilities. Its color, tone, clarity, and overall performance make it a standout choice for both photographers and videographers. I couldn't be happier with this camera, and paired with this lens, the results are always amazing.